Attention all FPV racing enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your drone racing experience to the next level? Today, we are diving into the world of FPV racing drone accessories, uncovering the must-have gear and enhancements every pilot needs. First up, let's talk about controllers. Having a reliable transmitter is crucial for precise control during races. Look for features like ergonomic design, customizable buttons, and low-latency transmission for that competitive edge. Fat Shark Dominator HDO2, DJI FPV Goggles V2, Skyzone SKY04X OLED FPV Goggles. Ichin EV800D FPV Goggles, Aomway Commander V2 FPV Goggles, Orca FPV.1 FPV Goggles. Emax Transporter FPV Goggles, FXT Viper FPV Goggles, Unique Skyview FPV Goggles. Flysight Falcon FG02 FPV Goggles. These immersive goggles not only provide a first-person view of the action, but also offer features like adjustable IPD, high-resolution displays, and built-in DVR to capture every thrilling moment. Don't forget about power. Invest in high-quality batteries and fast chargers to minimize downtime between races. Upgrading your antennas can also improve signal strength and reception, ensuring a reliable connection throughout the race. Last but not least, consider enhancements for your drone itself. So there you have it, the top FPV racing drone accessories every pilot should have in their arsenal. With the right gear, you'll be soaring through the skies and dominating the competition in no time. Happy racing! Visit our website www.skydronehq.com.